What's going on, guys? It's AJ with Agency Power, and today we're going to be talking about the big brake kit for your RZR XP Turbo. Let's go ahead and jump into this. The Agency Power Big Brake Kit features 4-piston front, 4-piston rear. That's going to give you an equal bias on both ends of the machine. And one of the best features of the Agency Power Big Brake Kit is the cast iron 2-piece vented rotors. Now, the ventilation will help with heat dissipation, and the drilled and slotted design of the rotor will help eliminate brake fade, which is a very common issue with the stock braking system. All right, I'm going to stop talking about this. Let's go ahead and hop in, test this brake kit out, and see what it's all about. All right, guys, so we're back here at the shop, and after a few test runs and a lot of hard braking, the Agency Power Big Brake Kit held up phenomenal. And the reason for that is because of the 4-piston calipers keeping the machine level as it's coming to a stop rather than pitching it forward like your factory brake. And also the vented rotors didn't give us any brake fade whatsoever. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Take it easy, everyone. Peace.